Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix device heating while charging on DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro. So first, it is completely normal for your device to heat while charging, especially while you're using the fast charging, but you can minimize that by first closing all the background apps. As you can see, I don't have any. Then use the original cable and the charger. Avoid using your device while they are charging. Just leave it on the nightstand, let it charge properly. Remove the case to improve the heat dissipation. As you can see, I have the case, and just for the charging you need to take it off. And last, charge in a cool and ventilated area. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.